Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that a bunch of crap?
Actually, my daughter-in-law is into the environmental thing. That's what she went to school for. She's going to go into environmental law. They call it global change.
Yeah. Some warmer someplace, colder someplace else.
Heels down. Yeah. And wetter in most places.
Yeah.
Whee, got that good. Look.
Oh, that was a
Good
cute
pony.
look.
Better. Lead changes, okay? It's not good for them. You'll get him anticipating them. As long as he's good at it, don't keep doing it.
Trot him, canter him, something I'm videoing.
Everybody else is like, he actually wants to be full if it comes, and that's what Bella needs. Yes.
Canter, April.
Oh, actually, Foggy has been up here for a couple of days because I did disrespect me, and so he's been at boot camp for Friday or Thursday, Friday, and then I left him up there last night because I hope.